Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate your account on the BestJobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the menu icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on the account settings option, tap on cancel. Click on deactivate account. Now you have to select the reason why you would like to deactivate your account. And then you should select this request account deletion button. Now tap on confirm in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on deactivate account. So now your account has been deactivated. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.